Ready to dive into the world of Bitcoin, but want a super easy way to buy it? This video will show you how to snag some Bitcoin on Coinbase using the convenience of Apple Pay, making crypto investing a breeze. First things first, if you don't already have one, you'll need a Coinbase account. Download the Coinbase app from the App Store and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. You'll need to provide some personal information and verify your email address for security. Once your account is set up, you'll need to complete the verification process. This usually involves providing a photo ID, like a driver's license or passport, and confirming your address. This is a standard security measure to protect you and Coinbase. Next, let's add Apple Pay as your payment method. Go to your account settings within the Coinbase app, find the Payment Methods section, and tap on Add Payment Method. You should see Apple Pay as an option. Select Apple Pay and follow the prompts to connect your Apple Pay account to Coinbase. You might need to verify your identity with Face ID or Touch ID. Now for the exciting part, buying Bitcoin. From the Coinbase home screen, tap on the Buy button, search for Bitcoin and select it. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase in your local currency. On the previous screen, double-check all the details, the amount of Bitcoin, the price, and make sure Apple Pay is selected as your payment method. Review the fees associated with the transaction. If everything looks good, confirm the purchase. You'll likely need to authenticate the transaction through Apple Pay using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, and just like that, you've bought Bitcoin using Apple Pay on Coinbase. Your Bitcoin will now be visible in your Coinbase wallet.